Oh, I was like, why? How come I don't hear any sound? How come I don't hear any sounds? Do. Hello. Hello, hello. Hey, yo, Wartesh, good morning. Marvin, hello. Shima, let's go. Lizzie, good morning, good morning. Queen, good morning. Floyd, good morning. Bus, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Jake, good morning. Jericho, Green, just chilling. How are yous? Hello, hello. Okay, so it kind of, I don't know, it's a bit of an interesting morning, isn't it? Some good names. Damn, they really entered this one. Spy is trying to come back to life, isn't it? Trying to. Trying to. Trying to. Do. Okay, there we go. Marvin, come join us in Discord. Let's go, King. Grun, good morning. Let's make monies. Mr. Chairman, let's make monies, please. Good morning. Virus and Thrust. Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning, good morning. NVIDIA is moving. NVIDIA is an absolute monster. Absolute monster is what that thing is. Let's see. Okay, watch list. The watch list for the day. So APTO looks good. Ayo, Michael, Nanya, hello. Luna, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello. Hi, everybody. I need to mute my Discord. Hello. Interesting. Onions, good morning. I know, right? Like we really do, Jericho. Like it's just ridiculous at this point, you know? It's like up, down, like slow. It needs to be the next beam, the next meme, you know? The problem is not enough. Yeah. T Robert, good morning. Aruna, good morning. So the markets are kind of red this morning, right? Which is okay. Because it looks like they're trying to push back up into the open. So let's see what happens. Bitcoin had an interesting, nice little rebound overnight, which is good. In terms of momentum stocks, right? We've talked about all of these names already. Luna has been scalping WOK like a criminal, which is nice. But yeah, so again, let me see which of these names actually had. Okay, sounds good. APTO reverse. They have a split coming. Okay, sounds good. So WOK had no news this morning. It was just OPTO and then the other three. Okay, sounds good. But it's going to be something that we pay attention to going into the open. There's a lot of resistance for this one at 520. So if they can break above 520, that'd be really good. Alrighty. Your next support is 480, and then you're looking for 440, 450 if we want to dip at the open. Deal? Not criminal. Yeah, there you go. So we like that one going into the open. APTO we just mentioned had news this morning. They have a lot of resistance at 25 cents. Bill mentioned that they have a split coming up, so I haven't really looked at the split date. So maybe this is just shorts covering along with that article. But we'll see again. A lot of resistance at 25 cents for this one. Alrighty. PRPH, we've talked about this one already quite a bit since last week. right? And it's looking really good. They had more news again this morning, so that's perfect. Um, you have a little bit of resistance at 82 cents, which is becoming a really common level. Anytime a stock gets to 82 to 85, it seems like people want to dump it, right? So we will pay attention to that going into the open. BRTX looks like it's consolidating off the 200, right? So that's going to be the third name on the list. So WOK, actually, there's four names that I like, right? So BRTX, PRPH, WOK, and then APTO, right? This is MGOL, by the way. I just want to see what this one does. So MGOL, if you played with this one before the split, before the name change. They've done a name change, and they've also done a 1 for 30 reverse split, right? So 30 to 1. Anyways, um, so this is the new ticker symbol. Alrighty, the new ticker symbol. There we go. Perfect. La 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 March. Okay. Marvin, yep, there you go. Mark, good morning. Carl, good morning. Munty, good morning. Ash, good morning. Bondi, good morning. Bradley, good morning. Let us cook, Bradley. Let it do its thing, and just be sure to have all long options. Exactly. Paul, good morning. Lion, good morning. The good thing about AMD is if you look at AMD, most times when the market is red, AMD is holding up well, right? At least over the last week, which is a sign. So, Ahmad, good morning. A, good morning. Are you guys ready to cook today? Ready to cook? DDT, good morning. Uh, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Um, question for you guys in the chat again. What's your favorite stonk going into the open? What is your favorite stock going into the open? Sam, good morning. So again, APTO looks good to me, right? Lots of resistance. So just be careful as we go into the open. AMD. WOK still looks fine. It's holding that support at 480 for now. PRPH again, same resistance at 82 cents. So maybe we get a dip to the 200, and then BRTX, right? So BRTX is doing an okay job holding. So I'm just gonna put a line here. Ready? And then I'm just gonna use, instead of creating a brand new one, I'm just gonna use the algo for the downtrend. So let's see. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Uh, There we go. So yeah, let's see if we can break above that into the open. If not, then that is not a play. Yeah, for now it doesn't quite look like it's ready yet. Perfect. So lots of weakness for this one, but it kind of seems like we might have a bit of support at 230. $2.30. Do, 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 do. That'd be interesting to see what it does at the open. Good morning, Wizard. And work, yeah. BRTX, thoughts on the case? Yeah, Ash, what's your position in that play? What's your position? Let me know. Do, 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 do. Kind of seems like a bit of a sus morning, though, doesn't it? Like we don't quite have a clear name yet. Don't quite have a clear name yet. Let's do. Okay. I kind of still don't mind what this one's doing here. No, 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 no. A rabbit out of its hat at the open? Maybe. 230. Jacob, yeah, not a bad entry. AOAK. Hello, hello. I think again, it does need to break that downtrend though if it's gonna go. So uh, let's see. Stock position, will you broker change it? They will, Fatima, and then also they'll divide it by 30. So you're not gonna have the same amount. Okay. So yeah, they're gonna divide it by 30. Uh, so just keep that in mind. Don't expect to have the same amount when they give you the shares already. Jacob, yeah, I saw. I don't mind your entry at all. It still needs to break out though. They're going to do at end of the day or at the open. Most likely at the end of the day. Most likely, it usually takes at least a day. Uh, at least a day. What the hell was that? Okay, there we go. I was in a nice. I wish like it would show up on here, Dan, but I don't think it does. Some Oh, it does show right there. It shows at the bottom, but it doesn't show on the charts then. Like when I take a trade on ES. Hmm. Okay. Sheesh, what's happening there? What's happening? uh, Dang. What happened? Okay. It doesn't show up though, Dan, for some reason. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. APTO. Yeah, BRTX is still just playing with 230 for now. Good morning, Andrew. Everything's sliding before the open. Yeah. Fed speech at 9:35. Is that what it is? They need to stop yapping is what they need. They need to stop yapping. Oh, no, no, no. Checking. Perfect. Perfect. Do, 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 do. Good morning, CM. Chefman, good morning. So yeah, we are trying to break above there. So yeah, work PRPH as weak as BRTX looks, it still looks okay, doesn't it? The only issue is again we are going into the open, so you never really know. Boeing CEO just said Elon Musk is helping us a lot on Air Force One. Oh wow, Hmm, interesting. Elon is helping us a lot on Air Force One. Good morning, Will. CVNA, that thing is still running. Um, yeah, if it can stay above, yeah, it looks like we're trying to break above that downtrend now, which is good for BRTX. Like I said, BRTX looks interesting. It looks okay, right? Dang, I wish I took more of a. Oh dang, should have sold that. I should have sold that pop ten. Uh, a lot of people. Okay, yeah, yeah. Mm, what happened? Omega, you took 5 shares, is what you did. Okay. How much time do we have? 3 minutes. Okay. 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 Uh, okay. Ooh wee. Okay, I'm gonna exit. That's a nice little long, Dan. Nice little long. Nice little long. I like it. I like it. Now go back all the way to the top. You were Mohammed. Okay. There you go. I was talking to you, Dan. Yeah, I was talking to you. I was talking to you about futures, but no, no. Come on, BRTX. Give us the pop at the open, okay? You have less than 1 minute, 46 seconds. Exos, Exos. Okay. APTO looks okay as well. APTO looks a-okay. Do, 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 do. Yeah, it looks like we're pushing back for that. So again, your next major resistance is 25 cents on this one. Alrighty? Okay, so let's take a look. Uh, Exos. APTO. B. They haven't updated the name yet for MGOL, so that doesn't really work. 1 second. Okay. So markets are open. We're still sitting at that same price here for BRTX, so it needs to consolidate. A bit of a dip on PRPH. Watch for closer to 70 cents on this one, right? And then this is the IPO. Clearly, there's a lot of resistance. The merger, right? There's a lot of resistance at $10, and then a bit of support at 850. Alrighty. Work is still playing with the same levels as well, and then APTO popped, and then still sitting in a bit of a weird spot, right? So that's gonna be difficult to manage. Super difficult to manage. So just be careful. Uh, Okay, there we go. CVM, few Canadian names with the pop there. So supply and then fail, work. Oh wow, look at them. These are some crazy candles, Dan. What's going on there? What the hell is happening? What are you doing? Shush. Why are you not laughing at Palantir like you do AMD? Come on, virus. Because I don't have interest in it, you know? Okay, let me go take a look. Let's go take a look. Virus. XOS. Yeah, the reason why I don't pay attention to some of these, especially at the open, is because I expect that to happen anyways, Mohammed, you know? Like some of these crazy candles, right? It is holding the 9 EMA really well, though, XOS already. And then clearly it looked like we failed right below $5. Damn. Those candles are wild. Okay, there you go. So work, yeah, work, same resistance for work. Alrighty, same resistance at the top. Wait, was I halted? Was I muted this whole time? Sorry. Silliness. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay. Bitcoin's at 98. I like the inverse of like, the market in BTC. So yeah, HMR is halted up, guys. APTO is going for that 25 cents. So that's your next resistance, 25 cents. WOK again, it's still 520 resistance. So that's not a massive surprise. PRPH, meh, nothing happening there, right? So watch for a bit of support closer to 70 cents, like I mentioned. BRTX is still playing games here. So if that thing doesn't want to break above that previous low, it's going to end up getting slapped. And then the markets are dipping a bit, um, right? See, markets are dipping. Let's see. Okay. Okay, there we go. No. And the next 1 minute when he realizes he's muted, I know. And then again, HMR is still halted at $10.04, which is nice. Okay, there we go. Thinking you get in at $10 APLD. Why didn't you get in sooner? Is my question to Matt. I'll take a look. I'll take a look in a second here. There goes WOK, breaking above that 520. So it looks like the view app was the magic number. Now what it needs to do though is consolidate. It needs to find a way to consolidate above 520. If it doesn't do that, then it's not quite ready for a bigger move. So good bounce of the view app for sure though. Negative news coming. Yeah. Yep. Watch, we're gonna dip and then end up going back to the moon again. To the moon. Yeah, the volatility on these candles is chaos. Chaos. Yeah, we need to settle a little bit. You played it yesterday and it was okay. Oh, okay, good, 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 good. I just want to see some of these candles close above 520. APTO, same resistance at 25 cents here. So it does look good though. I like how these two stocks are coming up the view app. PRPH is holding that 70 cents. So again, that's your support at 70 cents. BRTX, meh, nothing, right? Bit of a bounce at the open, but it basically just went up to retest the last resistance, and then it's dipping again. So maybe at some point it's going to consolidate, but it hasn't quite done that yet. Spies are going back to the abyss again. Is Powell really saying like negative stuff or what's happening? He must be saying something. He must be saying something. Good thing you sold it. Yeah, if you sense weakness, especially at the open, get rid of it. Do, 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 do. Okay. Yeah, I don't really. There goes work. So is anybody 601? Okay. Is anybody holding our work? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. RETO. Do you remember that one, Azul? That one's popping a bit. Do, 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 do. 10 a.m. Okay. Yeah, you're right, Jacob. They probably sense the negativity. Virus is gonna make me go look at AMD, isn't he? Virus. There's no way. Oh wow. Spice hitting lows and AMD is cooking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. AMD. Show us more, please. Show us more, please. I like it. AMD does this every morning, though. Does this every morning. Busy this morning, virus. Come on, go, 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 go. I like when Spice dipping and then the stock is cooking because then that just shows you what the real message is behind the stonk. That's some real strength. I like it. I like it a lot. Keep going, please. Keep going. I want to look at SPY on the 30-minute here. So we made brand new highs yesterday and then dipped this morning, but we're not really dipping to anything supportive, are we? Not really. RETO is halted up, by the way. HMR on halted and then dipped. So again, same resistance at $10. I'm surprised they didn't hold WOK. 470 to 540. I like it. I like it a lot, AK. I like it a lot. 601. Yeah, I would be really surprised if they took it to 601 as well. Really, really surprised. Good morning, Joe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let me pull up ES back instead of which one was anyways, I'm gonna yeah. Okay, that's ES. A little bit of consolidating at the bottom of the view out there, but clearly weakness. Weakness, Joe. Weakness. Ayo, Joe. Grimsy Grims. Hello, Grims. So it looks like APTO failed at 25 cents. Surprise, surprise. No, not really. Same support though at 21 cents already, right off the VWAP. So watch 21 cents. WOK, nice pop from the bottom actually, right above the VWAP and the 200 EMA. And then if you look to the left hand side, there's a bit of support there. So that's good. Good job on taking profits, by the way, AK. Alrighty, and then $6 resistance right where that supply zone is at, right? HMR, nothing there yet. So until that thing can break above 10 and consolidate, it's not ready. Exos looks interesting. So another one that's dipped to the VWAP and it's popping again, right? Next resistance for this one is $5. Speaking of which, it's tapping $5 right now. So there it is, XOS. Tap, tap, tap. Tap Z $5. Alrighty. So that looks good. Also looks like it's halted up XOS. Yeah, they just halted it up. BRTX, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing, nothing. As soon as that thing pushed back up and failed at the 200, nothing, right? So what it did was it used the last support, right? BRTX, that was your last support. It broke below that support. And then when it finally broke above that trend, it failed at that last support, right? So it used it as resistance. That's a big red flag, right? So now, again, if you're playing with this thing, watch for 195 to $2. Alrighty, if it can stay above 195 to $2, then you have a bit of hope. If not, right? PRTX, like we mentioned earlier, again around 70 cents, but it's using that demand zone and the 200 EMA as well. So if it can let me do circles, so right there, PRTX. Alrighty, SPY and ES, they're really consolidating up the bottom there, so hopefully it stays above. Sesh, yeah, it can. It can. Yeah, Grims. Yeah, Grims. What a nice swing, huh? Monies. Okay. Looks like work is putting in the work, holding the 9 EMA, pushing for $6 again. Good morning, Guardian. Putting in the work. It tested your patience, yeah. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. Okay. Uh, I got a 50K account with Top Step. Oh, because you said ES. Let's go. Okay, let's scalp some features together. Let's do it. Let's do it. Joe and Dan can lead us, you know? Let's do it. I like it. I like it. I wish it would show my orders on screen though. I don't know if it will. I'm gonna test it out, okay? So what if I wanted to buy? Let me do one ES. Uh, let's do one market order. Okay. I just did one off that bottom there. Does it show? It shows, right? So yep. Just one contract though, so that's not a big deal. Right? Yeah, so that shows up. But good thing I only did one because that thing looks weak. Oof. Weeks. My goodness. Does it show? Oh yeah, it does show. Perfect. Okay. Oof. Weakness. See, it doesn't something isn't quite working there though. The volatility is crazy. You know what? Whatever's happening here, uh, I don't know what's happening. So I have it on. It's showing two different screens. Like it's messed up or something. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like using TradingView and like TraderVate at the same time because it doesn't work the same. That thing said, oh yeah, virus, huh? Welcome, welcome. Harder. That thing said, let's deep harder. Let's deep harder, Grim. You know what's crazy is I'm green on TraderVate, but I'm red on TradingView. It's because they're not quite synced, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Overnight lows, yeah. They want something, all right. Okay. Uh, yeah, there we go. STAI halted up seas. Okay, moving on. So yeah, same resistance, but it is for WOK, but it's doing a really good job of holding that 9 EMA. So if you're in this, congratulations. It looks really good. We're sitting at 21 cents, which is kind of support, unless you want to wait for 20 cents, which is the 200 EMA for APVO. Alrighty, BRTX it is holding that level we talked about, $2, $1.95. Hopefully, it stays above that though, because if it doesn't, then that's violence. Violence is what that is. Violence. That's because you don't listen. Come on, Jax. Come on. What did I do? What did I do now? No, I don't like TradingView. I'm not gonna use TradingView, especially if it doesn't sync with TraderVate, because then that's no fun. That's way too dangerous, you know. That's way too dangerous. I wonder what happens like if I close a position on one, like if it closes on the other, you know. Hmm. That's dangerous. If you are reading ES, yeah, don't like it. Anyways, moving on. Exos is unhalted and popping. Unhalted and popping. Lion, did you get into this one? I hope you did. Maybe this was a grim play. Uh, yeah, it didn't pick you up. That's annoying. That is very annoying. It looks like APTO is going for that 20 cents actually, and then work is failing at $6 resistance. Exos though, new highs, new highs, new highs. Hmm, that's very interesting actually. So 790, 590. Uh, Joe, yeah, yeah. When you said well, okay, you're done for the day, Jericho. What did you play with? What did you play with? Yeah, XOS looks really good. Is anybody still holding this one? You kind of sold it all. Grim, Palantir to the downside. Okay, nice. Very very nice. Do, 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 do. Very very nice. Uh oh yeah yeah. Perfect. Yep. APTO, yeah, that thing is showing us too much weakness. They're not even consolidating at 20 cents. So that doesn't look good at all. In terms of support for your next support is 520, which was the last level we broke above, right? On WOK. So that's your next support for WOK. Jax, mean. How does work look? Like it's retesting the last breakout slow, like a retest. Yeah, BRTX is super super slow, super super slow, but it is holding $2. So RETO with a pop there. Grim, did you get rid of most of your PRPH? Did you get rid? This is called the bull bear algo. Alrighty. Yeah, You are? Okay, sounds good. Do. Okay, there we go. You should have full ported. I mean, it's always like that though, hindsight, you know, it's always like that. Do. RETO. Is anybody still holding BRTX? Anybody? Work is doing a good job of holding that 520. So as long as it stays above 520, you should be okay. Let me take a look at RETO. That one's been going crazy up the scanner. But it looks like it finally hit some resistance at 75 cents. Do. Dang, what's happening to the markets? What's happening? Is Powell really like, what is he saying? What is he saying? It's like, hey, during the last meeting, we decided that, to screw everybody. There we go. Press conference with us. La 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 la. Ukraine, Zelensky canceled a U.S. request. La 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 la. There we go. Dang, he must be saying some. He must be saying some pretty crazy things if the market's dipping like that. Okay, it's really dipping. Uh, let's do. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay. Do. Okay. Do. Mm. Isn't Powell is like, yeah, no thanks, guys. I'm just gonna leave you guys alone. I'm gonna leave you guys alone. So when the market crashes, you don't blame me. Let's see. Two. Okay, perfect. Mm. Palantir is gonna get. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful, guys. The markets look the markets look dangerous. Dangerous. The markets look dangerous. Is it a good buy? Just kidding. Yeah, into bankruptcy. You might get a bankruptcy run. Well done, Jericho. Well done. Yeah, monies. Yeah, the markets look scary. Okay, there we go. Scary, scary. 100 shares over the last week, Phil. Okay, I'll take a look. To buy cheap whenever Powell plans to address the nation. Yeah, he seems to want to crash the markets every time he speaks now. Exos does look really good though. Exos is halted up again. This one's actually done well today. That's done well today. Twos. Okay, there we go. Jax, are you making money? You better be making monies. Better be making monies. Oof. The markets are getting destroyed. Like destroyed. Some red days you're shorting, aren't you? Yeah, today seems like a short day for sure. Clearly the trend is down. Walmart missed earnings. Yeah, that doesn't help the market at all. Let me pull up the SPY. Like, look at that. SPY should be a bit more easy to look at. Damn. Almost down 1% today. It's only a matter of time before we're down 1%. Sheesh. I blame Paul. Wow. You are Grim? Okay. A bit of a curl there, back above the 9. Sheesh. We have 0 green candles. Well, we had like the 1 green candle. Other than that, though, like 0. Good luck, Marvin. Double bottom. Yeah, off the view app, maybe. If not, then yeah, double bottom. So watch this view app first at 480, and then if it doesn't hold, then yeah, look for that 460-ish. I demand some trash talk. Damn, look at SPY though. That thing is getting destroyed. Yeah, if you're short, you're printing. Jax, how green are you? We want to know. We want to know how green you are, because you're the queen of shorts. Let me look at Palantir and then I'll come back to SPY. Palantir is at $97. Oh my goodness. No way. Yeah. Overvalued. If overvalued was a name, it would be Palantir. Virus, what do you want me to say? That Palantir is garbage? 2,300? Ooh. Yeah. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, skis. And SPY is not stopping. That thing is just hitting lows on lows on lows on lows. Oh my days. What is happening? Damn. My goodness. Yeah, it looks like yeah, today the only thing to do is just go short and stay short. And then just go back to bed. Cause it's just not stopping. It is not stopping. Yeah, let's see. One second. Okay. Let's do. Yeah, Rob, I see. That doesn't seem to be working for me either. 2 and then 9. Okay. Perfect. Damn. I think we have a bit of support at like 607 maybe for SPY. 607. So maybe if we get closer to that level. Sheesh. Any more monies to buy the dips, guys? Any more monies? Does anybody have any monies left for dip buying? Because anybody? Are we tired of the dips, guys? I think we are, right? Yeah. What a beauty. Yeah. There is definitely blood on the streets. Blood on the streets. That seems a bit excessive, though, doesn't it? So make sure you pay yourself, please, if you're yeah. Yeah, it unhalted and then halted down sky. Buying? No, I don't have any monies to be buying dips every time. Plus, these are dips from like all time highs, you know. So it's not like we're down for the year or something like that. It's just yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what it is. Dimitri, yeah, it's more like catching falling knives, isn't it? Mm, 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 mm. Ready to buy today, Loa? What are you buying? Time to watch out for entertainment. Grim? Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, so there does seem like there's a bit of support at 607. 607 is a bit of a spot. A bit of a spot. That's if it doesn't just pop and then get destroyed again into the abyss, right? RETO, yeah, I think Grim sold that thing right below 75 cents. Justin, that's why. That thing said no thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Work, my goodness, look at that thing go AK. No support at all, no consolidation, nothing, just weakness. PRPH, weakness. And then obviously works is halted down. Oof. MNDR. MNDR. My goodness. Everything probably turned red on that. Is AMD red now? Yeah, AMD was so nice and green, and then AMD said, "Sorry, guys." But the thing is, AMD is only down 17%, and crypto is actually green for the day, which is nice to see. That crypto doesn't get slapped with the markets anymore, you know. Doesn't get slapped with the markets. Perfect. AMDL, okay. Yeah, so you're looking for yeah, okay, sounds good, Lowell. Some nice solid launch cap stonks is what you're looking at, Lon. Good morning. You have a buy order at $4. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I mean, I don't like what it's doing, obviously, but yeah, don't like it. Are we gonna? Yeah. Did you go long, Dan? Are you just watching? SMCI is moving. Okay. Like off the bottom there, about 50 cents is what you're looking at, Christopher. Yeah, honestly, today's not the day to be fooling around. If you're not sure, yeah, just sit on your hands and let the market relax. Exos, 65 cents. Uh, just watching. Okay. Doo-doo. Uh, Not following that, you will get NTAT. NTAT Grim. NTAT. Falls outside of my trading for I don't need to trade. I don't when it's unpredictable. Yeah, it really is. Like there's no support, no resistance, nothing. Just straight violence is what's happening. Marla, again, you have to make sure you put a stop loss though, right? If it's dipping, cut the damn thing, please. Alrighty. Yeah, if it's dipping, let me take a look. Yeah, like if it's dipping outside of your stop loss, sell it. Don't diamond hand it, right? So, or what you could do is you could look at a bigger picture, like look at a bigger time frame, right? So when I look at something like this, I'm like, oh yeah, right? That's really your support. Even though we wanted that thing to break out and push, right? That's really where your support is at. So there you go. 15. Yeah, you bought a bit higher. Yeah, you bought higher. And you didn't set a stop loss, did you? And have a rest. We'll be back if something cooks. Okay, sounds good, Grim. See you later. See you later. Uh, uh, Hopes and dreams. You know what? Yeah. Yeah. After hours looked okay. Pre market killed it for sure. So, doo, doo, doo. Yeah, like if you had some monies to buy dip skis, Luna, yeah, like when we dip like 1% like that, it's usually a good opportunity, right? So seriously, AK, right? Today is a sus day. Today is a bit of a sus day. Blood on the streets. AMD is gonna close green today though. Okay. Other than thank you, AK. Thank you. See, at least someone's nice to me today, you know? Not like Jax. Unbelievable. Ooh. Unlike someone. SLDB. Exos unhalted? Yeah. It looks like it's still playing with the 9 EMA though. Some days. Yeah. Unlike someone. The virus. Uh Violence. Violence. In the UK. Feels like just like the market today. Yeah. Yep. The universe knew that today would be you know, today would be violent. Yeah, I really do wonder though. You guys think we keep selling off the entire day or we find a bit of a base? Sell off all day or we find some support? Today, let's go, virus. Yeah, let's go. It was the market. I handed it handed me my and walked away, Gail. Yeah, today is that type of day. So don't go looking for trouble, please. PRPH is still holding that last support at 65 cents. So if it can stay above that, that'd be good. Work weakness, aka weakness. Right, it is testing $4, Sunny, which is the level you were looking for, right? So maybe if it can stay above that, yeah. So let's see. Everything up. Yep. 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 Remote control in yeah. Damn. So weak. Perfect. Yeah, again, like I said, definitely be safe today, please. Right? Don't look for violence. Otherwise you might get entered. Today's the type of day where you start looking to slowly scaling into long term positions. Again, like I said, it's not like we're dipping to not like the market crashed 5%. We're dipping to levels we haven't been to before. Like spies at 6 or 8, right? Like it's not that big of a deal, you know, not that big of a deal. 20 cents, okay. For your large caps, yeah, just make sure if you're scaling in really slowly, you know, really slowly. Because honestly, I don't think we're quite sure what the market wants to do. Not sure. Not sure what it wants to do. MNDR looks okay actually. MNDR. MNDR. Mm, what would be a big deal? Like we hit new lows for the year, Tony. Right? Like if you look at SPY trying to pop there, like we're still up 3% like year to date, right? Like if we were to turn negative, and then I think that we could look at that as a problem, but always be red days, but most of the days are green on SPY. Exactly, that's what I'm saying, right? Like it's not that. Don't think it's that big of a deal, you know. You know. Let's see. Okay. March will bring down new lows. That's usually the last month before violence to the upside. Yeah, Gail. Yeah, if you look at the market psychology chart, yeah, it is right. This one, right? So let me get rid of that comment here. So we pop a little bit, right, and then we sell off into the end of this month, and then March, right, and then we begin cooking from there. So that's usually how it is. Will it continue like that? I don't know. But for futures, I have no idea actually. Yeah, I have no idea. Uh, True, true. How's that green? How's that green? It's interesting. True, true, true. Okay, let me get rid of this. G, see something? GC? That's what it is? Okay. I bet you that one's just going up, 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 up. SPY rebounding a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. That thing's so far away from like from all the moving averages though. Hmm. You're getting killed today, Jason? You're getting killed in what? Uh okay, there you go. The SPY is pumping. Watch it recover like the entire thing. Wouldn't that be crazy? Market makers moving into GME from SPY. You wish. You wish. 44. Okay, Chris. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Shorts waiting. Unbelievable, Joe. You can't let it, recover and like have a nice, a nice recovery. You just want to cause violence again. It looks like it wants to go back up and test a 50 though. Retest Z50. Here it goes. For new lows. If SPY hits new lows today, that'd be crazy. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. V2. That's okay, Chris. That is okay. Yeah, works just looks like a disaster. That thing looked good in the morning, but as soon as it hit that resistance, yeah, I think people just threw it in the garbage. And it's been below the 9 the entire time. The entire time. So garbage on that. OGen looks okay. STI, TM. Yeah, this one looks okay as well. Yeah, nothing crazy, right? Like it's 35% slowly moving up, right? But it looks good. So nice higher lows on this one. Nice higher lows. There you go. Uh, okay. You got in and out quickly? Okay. Yeah, that's not a bad selling area. And especially around 4:30 where you have that supply zone sky, so that's not bad. I think people seem to just be dollar cost averaging, dollar cost averaging into PRPH. That's why it's for the most part holding those levels. In and outs. Yeah, SPY is retesting the 50, so you might, Joe, is this where you wanted to short? There's your short. There goes STI, new highs of the day. NVIDIA. There you go, Luna. There you go. There you go. Abyss, yeah, that thing couldn't stay above $10, could it? HMR, yeah. Nas, oof, oh my goodness, yeah, oh my days, oh wow. I hope not. And again, this is why we keep telling people like, don't hold stocks into splits, right? I mean, because that's exactly what this is. Even though it was a business combination, like play the hype, right? Buy the hype, sell the news, right? They have a merger coming. Play the momentum. Be done with it, though. Don't go in there and say, but they have a merger, right? What happens when they do the merger, right? What happens? What happens? No, be done with it. That thing opened at $10, so and now it's at $5. So your money just got cut in half. Yeah, exactly, right? Uh, unbelievable. Sheesh. That's nasty. Uh, uh, was announced. 1 second. New name. Okay, there we go. Good, 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 good. Jaden broke. Yeah, if you held this stock today, that's exactly what you're saying.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
Yeah, if you hold these stupid stocks, if you hold these garbage stocks after a split, after a merger, right? You're just asking for violence. So from $10 this morning to $5, just like that, just like that. Yep, 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 yep. Again, if you haven't watched the class we from last Saturday, we talked about this stuff, right? We talked about how to play with splits and mergers and stuff like that. Like play the hype. Anything else, wait for it to crash. Kimbella, you remember that, right? So this is why you don't play with split stocks, right? Or you don't diamond hand, you hold them and then you wait, like don't do that. Don't do that, please. There we go. Shima, absolutely, right? From the swing play class to the SEC filing class, right? Yeah, I did. It did. Exos. AK. This seems to be the only like the only one that's actually performing like the chart actually does look nice today. 6 to 7 Guardian. Let's go. There you go. I'm surprised they haven't halted it up yet. Uh, Calling lawyers and filing complaints. Oh my days. I mean, again, we talked about this, right, Paul? Right? When you just don't know, you call it a scam, right? You're like, oh my goodness, I'm getting scammed in the market. This happens every single time. Only in positive news and positive cash on hand with no dilution. Other than that, you can go broke. Exactly, right? Now they're on there. You know what you should do, Marla? Uh, take a link of the video, the SEC filing video, and post it in that chat. Okay. um, it's in the last link in the education channel, how to play like SEC filings. But take a link and go post it in there. So when you just don't know, you're like, oh, I got scammed, I'm gonna call the lawyer. No, that happens every single time. Don't hold the damn thing, right? Otherwise you're gonna be crying. It's just that simple. Ready to no 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 no. Okay, perfect. Golden reversal candle. Spies retesting the 50 again, Joe. Are you still in your short? Trying. And then PRPH again, really good bounce off the bottom there. Really, really good bounce. Right? People just seem to be accumulating this one for sure. Um, Accumulation. At $10, thank God it was paper money. Rob, as I was reading your message, I was like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And then you said paper money. Whew. Usa. My goodness. Anyways, Exos is still cooking. So congratulations if you're holding Exos. That thing looks really good actually. Just on fire there. On fire. At least something's moving, you know? Okay. Criminal. Criminal. 780. That's a daily retest, Bonnie. Thank you. There you go. So make sure you're paying yourself. Went out and saw phone wasn't working. What, you weren't in a trade, Dan? Yeah, that's scary. See, you can't even blame Canada now, can you? You can't. Canadian Wi-Fi to the rescue. To the rescue. Share this teaser. Oh yeah, the options. Do let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah. The negative thoughts. Ah, Graham, what's happening? Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Ah, there you go. Should you get dips on Exos? What dips, AK? What dips? That's like one red candle. What's one red candle? Uh, beat cookups. Yeah, you should do it. Do it, Joe. I like it. Yeah, do the beats. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, there we go. uh, there goes Exos. I guess that was a dip, huh? Yeah, your one red candle. That was your dip, and then quick exit. That 780 level that Chris mentioned is still a problem. That's still your resistance. FTAI report, a bigger stocks. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Guardian. Yeah, no, that was a really good. That was a good exit, right? Nothing wrong with that. Especially you made $1 in that, so that's good. Goes above 5 and halts. Is it halted again? Like, is it halt? Oh yeah, it's halted up now. It actually dropped to, yeah, it dropped to $4.32 though, right? So it basically went up $1 before getting halted. So maybe that's a sign of what they want. They want to send it to the grave. Send it to the grave is what they want. Straight to the grave. Oh, there you go. It's back. It's back, John. 550 and halted. I'm kidding. It's about to get delisted. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hmm. It's an interesting retest. Demand zone. STI still looks good. It just has resistance at 450 for anybody that was playing with it. This coming week. La 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 la. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. STAI. If you're green for the day, type in yes in the chat. If you're green for the day, type in yes in the chat. Jericho, did they ever take your position for HIMS? You should be okay, right? Let me pull up HIMS here. HIMS. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. So I mean, yeah. So if you really wanted to close your position at some point, depending on where the balance is at, you could always take your monies, right? It was a lot cheaper. You took your profit on sold another one. Oh, okay, there you go. Perfect. Yeah. So there was no need getting rid of it, yesterday when it was pumping anyways, right? Because you had guaranteed money on those covered calls. So STI just popped to new highs, but then in the spirit of Halloween, slapped, slap. Exactly. Doo-doo-doo. You made small profits, John. Oh, good, 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 good. Crypto. Yeah, you did really well with the crypto play. Crypto MGT. Marvin, yes. Seven, yes. Good. ADTX, Chris. Two Chris's. Shima, good. MJ, you hope Luna. What do you mean you hope? AK, well done. Guardian, yeah, that was a good scalp. That was a very good scalp. Virus monies. Yeah, you can trust virus to you can trust virus to give you the dipskis. Let's admire your work. No, no, unbelievable, unbelievable. Hmm. Well done, the virus. Well done. Doo, doo, doo. Perfect. Mm, mm. There we go. Unbelievable virus. There goes Exos. Did you get it now that he gave you the dip, AK? It's back to retesting the supply zone again. You do virus. No wonder you go to the woods. Ask for forgiveness, please. HMR looks okay though. It's trying to get back to $6, especially after hitting that demand zone. You did AK? Nice. Yeah, just be aware though that you have that resistance up there. So if you need to run, that's not a bad spot. Yesterday nothing. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that's 780, huh? Cheap to buy. ADTX. Yeah, days like today, that's when you use the knowledge of what you learned over the last however long you've been trading for, right? There goes Exos, new highs of the day. Sheesh. Yeah, it's called Virus Magic. I like it. Ah, when the virus has magic. Unbelievable. Let's go, virus. I like it. I like it. Samuel, AGH? New IPO. Okay. I don't know if today is the right day to be IPOing, but this damn stock is cooking though. Cooking. Oof. Oof, virus. It really is virus magic. Give you the dip and then boom skis. There you go. And it's halted up. Are you still in it, AK? uh 820. Good. Good scalp. Oh my days. That's really funny. That is really funny. Um you missed a diff for XOS. I'm sure there's gonna be another one. Just talk to virus. Talk to virus. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Today is not the day to be a HMR is back to $6. $6. It's a little bit of support there. Yep. PC is not likely to be as sobering as CPI number. Idiots. Feel like those dudes yap more than they do their job, you know? Yap, 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 yap. Um, yeah. Is anybody in HMR? Everybody's too excited for XOS. Their mouth. Yep. Well done, well done, well done, Jericho. I like it. Requires sleep. Well done. I like it. Good. Yeah, get some rest, especially since you've been hitting that daily goal. Hmm. Mm. NDR. Okay. The village peoples. Oof. Uh, hmm. Yeah. On hot, it's 8:55. He went to get snacks and rest because the morning was slow. HMR is coming back slowly, isn't it? Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Let's do those. Hmm. So there goes brand new highs for this one. Brand new highs for this one. Do you like it here? No position yet. Let's take a look. WOK. Yeah, there's really nothing about this thing that I like, honestly. Other than that demand zone at the bottom, unless it can stay above. Unless so three ways, right? You either watch this little uptrend that it's forming that's about to break below, right? It kind of looks like it's forming a bit of a double bottom of that uptrend, so watch 360, Chris. If not, watch this demand zone below that. It's done skis, right? Or you simply just wait for the break of the break of that last high, right? So for now it looks like it's going to that demand zone. So the closer you are to 350, the better. Probably. Probably already. Hmm. Yep. Okay. You're welcome, Chris. Yeah. So again, the closer you are, like right between 350 and 340, seems like that's your demand zone. Garlic with some butter chicken. That sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Now I'm actually hungry, and today is pretty annoying. Today is pretty annoying. 56. That candle hit 355, Chris, and then popped back up 25 degrees outside. Oh, Fahrenheit. I'm like, are you kidding? 25 degrees Celsius? That's beautiful weather. But no, that's your temperature, Joe. Bring the heat. Yeah, don't worry. I think like in the next like yeah, it should start warming up. What is it called? The polar vortex or whatever that is. So yeah, Kimbella. Yeah. So from 680 to $6 and halted. Canada needs to close the freezer. No, can you imagine if we didn't open the freezer and give you guys some of the cold? We would be dead. Yeah. No, it's nicer now, Mike. Yeah. I haven't been outside yet, so but it is nicer now. So Doo, 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 doo. Coming down, yes. This afternoon, yeah. I can go to the gym like in peace. Uh yeah, Exos is halted down. Mm, okay, there we go. Yeah. Like it's just ridiculous, Mike. That's way too much. Way too much. Yeah, no, the weather should be getting nicer for sure. Let's see the weather in Edmonton. Yeah, it's getting better, guys. Minus 14. Let me change it to Joe's weather so he understands, Joe, look at this. 7 degrees, Joe. You're at 25. You're better off, Joe. You're better. The highest we're going to see today is 30, which would be nice. And then it just gets, better as that's nasty. This is the best day we've had in like what? 3 weeks now? The best day in 3 weeks. And Joe is yeah. Mm, 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 mm. That's outside your cold weather, Saudi. This is, yeah. Yep. But then your heat is like crazy though. He said no, thank you, Joe. Yep. STI still looks okay actually. Retesting the top there. Okay. Oh. uh, Everybody that trades stocks, deep down you have some anger issues. Because as soon as that stock doesn't go your way, oof. 50 shares of NVIDIA 116. Should I sell half now and get Palantir? Hmm. I mean, I think fair value for NVIDIA is closer to like, $50, $60. But would I sell in NVIDIA to go buy Palantir? I mean, maybe that's not a horrible plan. You could have half and half, right? Especially after a dipski. Kimbella's like, yes. Unbelievable, Kimbella. Unbelievable. Work to the abyss. Yeah. Today's a day for like, scalps, make your monies and move on. Ah, exactly, man. That's a yeah. There's only snow in Edmonton now. No food there. What do you mean, SB? There's food. Beautiful donaires. Beautiful, tasty donaires, is what we have. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And yeah. Yeah. Okay, email. Membership. Uh, um, oh, Here we go. Kuwait in Louisiana right now. Yeah. Yeah, no, it looks really good. Jay, it looks really good. Might as well just keep pushing for $5. La, 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 la. Okay. Let's see. Ronald. Thursday after 9 a.m. Thursday after 9 a.m. Okay. 9 a.m. Why? What's AMD doing? Damn, AMD got slapped. Unbelievable. AMD is like very good at doing that, you know? Like it gives you promise and then slap. But then again, it's not like AMD was garbage today, right? The entire market, early $300 cap was going to scale up, avoided big disappointment. Exactly, Sunny. Yeah, not today. Not today. Today is not the day for crazy, crazy risk, you know? For NVIDIA should pump before earnings. Yeah, Grunt, see, there you go, right? So there's another opinion. Yeah, NVIDIA probably runs before earnings, whereas Palantir, who knows where that thing decides to settle at with the recent negativity, right? So yeah, uh, okay, here we go. AMD. Kimbella, yeah, this one, HMR is on halted. On halted. Looks like they're taking some profits on STI right before $5, but it does look okay though. Just that 490 to $5 is still resistance. Four. Okay. Weakness. Looks like AK, you're done with this one, right? XOS. You guys wanted dips. Virus gave you dipskis. So 720, same support. Same support. You're in again at 7:30. I knew it. Uh, okay. Well, let's hope for a pop then. Okay. $7.30. Sounds good, Justin. See you later. STTS, STSS, STSS. Oh wow, that's a really nice pop actually. Yeah, yeah, that's a good play, Chris. Very nice. Is it a good buy studio? The only thing that's ever a good buy studio is a Discord membership. So come join us at Discord. Mm, mm, mm. Was frozen shot to park it in the garage after the snow. Oh my goodness, Dan. You're not even helping her? Wow. Unbelievable. Dan's like, you know what? It's way too cold. You go do it. Uh, in reverse. Reverse plate. Wait, no, 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 no. Okay. Got you, man. Exactly, Mike. Exactly. uh, let's go, AK. Well done. Yeah, same support, same level, right? See, you're done. 770. Congratulations. Well done. Have a wonderful rest of the day. I'm a teacher. Oh, life lesson. Listen to your husband. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're gonna be in trouble. No more breakfast for you. Is it a pump and dump? Yeah. You're in trouble. Hmm. There we go. STSS. Mm. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. It was a good day. Let's go, AK. Give me a high five. Let's go. Well done. Thank you for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Enjoy. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Yeah, don't come back. Okay. Take the money and run. Unless you see something that, you know. But thank you and have a wonderful rest of the day. Sell at the pub before the next week and rebuy. Yeah. Buy the hype, sell the news basically gone. Yeah, good plan. Mm, okay. Yeah, it looks like STSS failed at exactly at resistance there and then backed off. Uh, yeah, right at resistance, Chris. We have until the okay. There you go. Yeah. See you tomorrow, AK. See you tomorrow. That was a really good sell too, AK. So look at this. She's a criminal, guys. Look at that. She sells and leaves, and then the stock drops $1, and then she smiles as she walks away. She smiles. Criminal. Yep. She's like, bye, guys. Bit of a retracement. Wow. Okay. Criminal. Okay. Perfect. Anything else looking good? Anything else? No, not really. Not really. Uh, I don't know where these beats are coming from. This must be like dance playlist or something, you know, Mike. Yeah. Singapore. I remember that company. I LKCN or something like that, Chris. LKCN. Is it still the name? Same name? They changed the name to listed. Let me search it up. Lock in. Oh yeah, they changed. Yeah, LKN. Okay. They got delisted the OTC. Sheesh. It's $32 though, but OTC. Yeah. Somewhere in the channel, there's like a 30 minute to an hour video on DD for this stock. Somewhere. Yeah. I think that video was done in 2021. Yeah, 2020. Yeah, 2020, 2021. It was. It was. Yeah. So around $10 is when I did that. Yeah, 2021 around $10. So I mean, they got delisted without a split, so and now it's at $32. Yeah, see, That DD video worked, guys. I don't do those anymore. Don't do those anymore. Yeah. Uh, there we go. Yeah, it used to be, Chris. Used to be. Used to be. I still like what PRPH is doing. So still looks okay as like a swing play ish, you know. IRS executives tell staff on call that about 6,000 employees to be fired on Thursday. I mean, how many times do they need to say that? Apple Tim Cook meets with Trump now. What are they meeting about? Bring all your monies to the States or what? Bring all your monies, please. MNDR, yeah, that one's done well today too. Retesting the highs there. Nice, nice, nice higher lows on this. So a bit of a double top at 66 cents, but it's done well. Yeah, Carl, it looks good. Looks good. MNDR. And there goes new highs of the day for MNDR. Mm, 44 cents. Yeah, that's very nice, Eric. Well done. In at 44, I think is good. Yeah, I mean, you're green in that position. Or should I put it around? What is that? 5.7? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. XRP it is okay. ADTX. Yeah, it's trying to. They have earnings in 6 days. I wonder if they're gonna announce like a split or something, you know? After the stream. There you go. Yeah, today is just a scalp day. Keep an eye on ZSPC trying to break out low volume break. Okay, let me take a look. Is it one of those D specs? It seems like a D spec. NAS. Z space. Yep. Yeah, like super low volume for sure. Super low volume, but I'll set an alert for a breakup like $25 or something. Okay. Perfect. Z space. Well done, Shima. STI. Well done. That's a good exit. Yep. Yeah, $5 is a good spot to be exiting at. It broke out. Yeah, I looked at that one in the morning and it was crashing, and then I just kind of gave up on it. But it looks like it crashed all the way down and then consolidated. Kimbella. That's a really good bottom, actually. Yeah, 68 cents. Yeah, that's a really nice base. So, and again, some of this stuff is quite clear to see, right? Like if it's dropping like that, don't touch it. Just let it sit there for a bit and then you make a decision. You know? So make sure you wait, right? You're hoping for more? Yeah. Yeah, Kimbella, 75 is your next obstacle there with the 200 EMA sitting right there. You want to be careful. Do, 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 do. Yeah, let's do 5 more minutes, guys, and then let's go back to Discord. Alrighty, 5 more minutes, and then let's go back to Discord. Inflation to continue bumpy decline to 2% without major rebound. Idiots. Idiots. Then go back up for those who bought M goal. Yeah, the question is where though, Shima, right? So now you need to, and so the other thing that we don't know that I haven't looked at is what the float is now with the 30-1 split, right? So that's always a really important thing, right? The reason why these stocks do the split and then run is because of like they do like a 50-1. Um, 100-1, and then the float is less than 1 million, so it's really small, right? So then when it consolidates, people want to jump in, or when it's pumping, people want to FOMO, right? So I'm not quite sure what the float is on this one. So um but yeah, a share. Okay. Yeah, either it consolidates at some point, so it really finds a base on a daily time frame, or you see the volume start coming in with a catalyst, right? So yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Before, Uh, oh, no, 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 no. Do. Okay. Sounds good, Peter. Just test this one out. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it failed right on that 200 there, Kimbella, and then came back down. Exos is still dropping, but it seems to have a bit of a double bottom at 670, 675. Yeah. XOS. Do, 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 do. Uh, Let me take a look. I wonder what happens with NVIDIA though. Not NVIDIA, Palantir here after that first major dip. Uh, okay. Suggestions, Marla? I got the urge to throw at something today. I mean, nothing looks amazing right now. Amazing. What's HEPA doing? HEPA was another swing play. What is that one doing? Yeah. HEP seems to have some nice support around like 16 to 17 cents. But other than that, yeah. Yeah, you don't need to, again, you don't need to throw your money anywhere, right? Just be patient. Um, yeah, this one looks interesting for sure, especially around 16 cents. But using yeah, that's what I mean, virus, right? That's why I wanted to use TradingView today, but then for some reason it was having issues too. So yeah, just connect it to TradingView and then just use TradingView so you can actually drop, yeah. Okay. It's less. Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to sell the ask if you're going to do that, virus. So sell the ask when you're short, when you're long, right? See, I'm almost confusing that in my head. So if you're long a position, right, then you need to sell the ask, and if you're short, you need to sell the bid, right? So then you're selling into like the bid instead of like just doing a market sell because then it gives you whatever, you know. Kimbella, that thing is going back up again to retest 75 cents, so it looks good. FGEN. It's gonna be a new tattoo just saying who's what was that, like First Nations of uh yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off in a minute or so. Alrighty, and continue in Discord. Let me know. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, okay. That yeah. No, that's what I thought. First Nations, indigenous. Anyways, what is the meaning of life? The meaning of life is going through life and enjoying it, or trying to, going through the experiences and trying to enjoy them. That's the meaning of life, Troy. Features on TraderVate lets you place your order, stop loss, and TP all at once. Oh, there you go, ATM. Yeah, I've never actually used that, Dan. Never, never, never. ATM. Paramount. Oh, whatever. With no worries, aka Hakuna Matata. But that's not the meaning of life for others. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. Agreed. For sure. Everybody has their meaning, you know. Yep. And any reason is completely okay. I mean, hell, like it's you know how when people try and tell you how to live your life, like you know what you need to do. You need to shut the hell up. you know, shut the hell up. So you need to do. I don't think anybody should tell anybody else how to live their life, because I think at the end of the day, if you live and you die, you know you're gonna die, right? If you're really gonna die, like you know, you should make some decisions for your own life. You really should. You only have one life, so make some decisions. Help someone find their meaning. Have a friend for life. DDT. I like it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Conan. I can't have a. You only have one life, virus. Only one. At the end of the day, the last thing you want to do is have regrets. So if you need to have a cookie. In moderation, of course. So you just don't want to have regrets, is all. I think that's the key. Don't go to the end and be like, dang it, I wish I did this. Dang it, I listened to this person and I did this, but I really wanted, deep down, I really wanted to do this. You know, deep down, I really, really wanted to do this, but I listened to this person and I lived. Isn't it sad if you live according to someone else's terms? Again, that's deeper than it is. Like the things you do because you circumstances, right? That's different. I just mean not the one you like though. uh, yeah. I just mean like in general terms. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Sheesh, spies all over the place today, Dan. My goodness. What did you do to the damn thing? All over the place. To make us all mortals and we will never die. I like it, Marla. I like it. Do it, Elon. Do it. Don't they say like if you drink, like if you use virgin olive oil, that helps with aging? Something like that. Virgin olive oil. I wonder if that actually works. I wonder. He's gonna stop paying 300-year-old people. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Yeah. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Do, do, do. Not just the people that are like 150 years old being paid. I think also the people that are like 90 years old still in office. They need to leave. They need to go and enjoy your damn life. You already have millions of dollars. Like, what the hell more do you want? Like, leave. James, thank you. Till next time. Alrighty. Today was a bit of a rubbish day, wasn't it? I think, yeah. I don't want. I want the world experience broken in one. Don't stress, and you'll live longer. Yeah, yeah. I was watching a little podcast yesterday, and more of a short, thing. But it said, the factors that contribute to you living longer, a lot of it was like social interaction, right? Like like how do you spend your day? Do you spend your day, interacting with people, right? Do you have friends that you interact with? Do you have family that you interact with? Do you have, when you go get your coffee, do you interact with the person at the coffee? Like how do you spend your day? Was way higher up there than exercise and other things, which is really interesting. But I think again, obviously, stress is a huge factor, right? Huge. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Bye for now, James. Futures has the best of nutrition. Yeah, that's probably because like a lot of countries like that don't have like processed foods. Thank you, Luna. Have a wonderful rest of the day as well. uh, Whoever came up with that extra ridiculous mic. Yeah, if you go to like an organic shop, Mike, it's called not it's just, I think it's just called virgin olive oil, not extra. Eating cookies, good. Just don't have too many cookies. Just don't have too many cookies, and you'll be okay. To all he did was drink and smoke for 15 to 85. He is still driving. Crazy, Rob, isn't it? Crazy. So crazy. Like, yeah, like people, I don't know. Like, it's just, yeah, that's what I mean. Like, you have to live however you want to live. Do whatever you want, you know? And then at the end of the day, you're like, you know what? I did it. But then stuff like that, though, like drinking and smoking, is not exactly necessary. I mean, like in terms of like experiences, right? Like choosing your path, career path, traveling, stuff, spending time with like stuff like that. Yeah. Sky? Yeah, there you go. You could do that too. You could do that as well. Do, 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 do. Alrighty, guys. Just eat weed gummies. We're gonna leave it here for the day, though. Have a wonderful afternoon. We shall continue in Discord, and hopefully something shows up. Hopefully, hopefully. Alrighty, be safe, and I'll catch you guys in Discords. Deal. Bye, everybody. Much love. Bye. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, virus. CVNA. You waited till the end. Not CVNA cover. Unbelievable. Let's see. That looks like you're looking for a long off the 200, huh? Yeah, like off. Yeah, virus. Closer to 112 would be nicer, huh? Almost like there's a triple bottom there, actually. Yeah, if you look all, yeah. I mean, the true triple bottom is 110 virus. Yeah, 110 to 112 would be your spot. Yeah, I like it. Nice dip. Hmm. I'll set an alert here, virus. See if we get them. Please don't hate us, crypto. No, I don't hate you. No, absolutely not. We will just have to make monies in the market, crypto. Yeah, Tony, I know, right? Let's go, virus. Okay, bye, guys. Much love. Bye, y'all. Bye.